This video teaches you how to create a business invoice in Microsoft Excel. Using template. Search for an invoice template. Select a template. Click Create. Edit the template to fit your needs. Fill out the invoice. Creating an invoice manually. Click Blank Workbook. Create the invoice heading. This includes company name, address, TIN number, invoice number, date. Include the terms of payment. Enter the recipient's name and address. Enter your billing information. Display the amount of the total bill can be generated with sum function.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.